shallow and the crab trout's out of the water. So watch, I'll run right by it. You want to videotape it? Two big trout back. That one's even bigger. I'm gonna have to net my own fish. Made 2 casts, got 2 16 and 17 inch trout. Your turn, Sarah. I missed the last one on video, but got 2 big trout back to back. Trout are still piled up. Sarah's an offshore fisherman. She hasn't figured out how to catch these trout yet. Huge trout! It's a giant trout.
Where's the net?
Right here. Pull it out. That's a monster trout. Like, that's like a 22-inch trout.
I gotta do this one-handed because I got my rod in my other.
It's a freaking monster trout. That's a big trout. Jighead on a shrimp. There's shrimp on a jighead, I mean.
And I'm sitting here.
Snag. That is a tank trout.
I gotta break this.
You believe me now that there's big trout here? He's probably only 20. He's not that big.
I don't even care. Let's get some pictures. Good job. That's like one of the biggest trout I've ever seen.
Not big, but he's a keeper.
Get him in the boat. He's a keeper. Don't let him fly out.
He's not huge.
Don't let him fly out.
Feels like a red. He's running fast. Ah, big old trout. Another big trout.
I'm always doing this one hand.
Just put the pole down.
I gotta put my hand too.
Another 16, 17. Gonna get an easy trout limit today. We just had to wait till there's enough water to get in here. Another 17 incher. Small trout. Little dink trout. I've never even seen one that small in here. You would get the little one.
I know, right?
Wow. That's the smallest one I've ever seen. Oh my god, this feels like a huge red. I don't know, it feels bigger than a red. Oh, it's so big. I don't have a clue what I have, Sarah. I hope it's a big redfish. It's so heavy. It is so heavy. It looks like a big drum. Big drum. And all the drum school moved in. I saw him. He's a big drum. Big old drum. I mean, not a monster, but it's a good fun size. That's a fun size right there. I just love drum. So much better than trout. Look at the size of that drum. It's about a 22 incher. That's the fun size. Not too big.
What'd you have on there? Shrimp?
Yeah, just shrimp on a jig head.
Nice.
I don't even have a leader on. Just too lazy to tie a leader. Drum don't care. Well, maybe we don't have to move now. They moved in. Head first. That's a good medium size.
Oh, that's a good size.
Fun. He's still good to eat when they're under 25 inches.
That's a good one.
Big old trout. Not that big. Only 16. I got no leader on my pole, so it freaking hurts to grab it. Alright, we're about to leave. We got another keeper. He just spit the hook. A slow bite today. Oh, at least you got one. Is it a trout? He's staying down. Big trout. There you go. Get him in. Good job. Throw him in there. Get him in. Where there's actually sides to the boat. Hold him up. I grabbed the big one and hold him up. I'm just kidding. What is that, number 7? We're doing pretty good.
Maybe.
Yep. That's a good one. Oh, it's a big one. No, maybe not.
I got the net ready this time.
But see how I just reel? I don't lift the pole. I just reel. You don't ever want to give him slack. He's not a keeper. He's smaller than yours. It's crazy how they're all like the exact same size though. Your pole's still there. Keep the rod tip firm and just reel. You don't want to give him any slack. Basically try to reel as fast as you possibly can. On the whole time. That's another good one. That's a heavy one. That's a good one. That's 16 and a half.
Makes me nervous, this boat.
Well, we're going to get our limit now. A slow, slow bite, and then finally they all started eating all at once. You got one? Thanks, Sarah. You did that quick. Hey,
Like that?
you're showing that trout who's boss now. Another 15 incher. Good job. I think that might be our limit.